There's the bird sitting on her nest. She can hear me on the other side of the door. I didn't have the heart to knock the nest down right after, and she built it in a day. I left one morning and there were just little strings of stuff, and I got home at the end of the day and she had a full nest built. So I don't think any animals can get her there, but I do startle her when I come out of the garage. It's a robin. I don't remember how I looked inside. I don't know how many eggs are in there, maybe 3. Oh, it's so cute. Baby birds. They already hatched. Oh, look. Baby birds. Hi, birdies. Little robins. Oh, where's your mama? Here are the little birdies again in the nest. Oh my gosh, look how little they are. Hi, babies. Oh, how many? Oh, there are 3 of you? Oh. Oh, look at the babies. Hi, babies. Oh, look inside. Hi, little birdies. Getting a nap. Alright, we'll see you in a few days. Oh, darn. She was just feeding her babies. Oh, I missed it. Now she's sitting on them. Oh, it was so cute. They all had little mouths open. I missed it. Well, I saw it. I didn't get video of it. Oh my goodness. Oh well. I see baby birds in there. Oh, she's gonna feed them. Oh, how cute. Look how she's feeding them. Oh, she hears me. Look how cute that is. Oh, she heard me. Maybe she'll come back. Maybe not. Baby birdies. Waiting for their mommy. She hears me now every time I'm behind this door. Oh, they're so cute. Oh. Oh, little wings. Oh. Oh my goodness. Here are the baby birdies. Let's see if it'll let me get up on a ladder. The mother bird is watching me. I don't know if you can see that in there, but she is. What I'm doing here. Here they are. Hi, baby birdies. Oh, I see 3. Are there 3 of you? Taking a little nap? Oh, you're so cute. Your eyes are fully formed now. Hi, babies. Your little mouths are open. The mother is getting ready for me to walk away. Hi, birdies. Hi, birdies. Hi, the babies. There's your mama. I saw them fly away. Hello. What are you doing? It's so cute when you open your little mouths. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Little birdies. Oh, little birdies. The birds are getting so big they hardly fit in the nest. Not sure if you can see that. The little birds have flown the nest. I think it's time to take this nest down, and it's filthy. Oh, they were so cute.